December 24, 2024. We were on our way to Zamboanga del Norte. To be specific, to the Dapitan City. This was just a random pick of place to celebrate our Christmas. Since it was our first time, we did not know which places to visit, and so we decided to book a tour package. The tour will start on December 26th, so on our free time during the 25th, we will have a DIY tour. 9 a.m. since we departed from Santa Cruz Bazaars to Surigao del Norte, and it took us approximately 13 hours to arrive in Dapitan City. We were welcomed by their very beautiful city hall, which we decided to just visit next night. So we are finally here. Look at my face. Okay, so hi guys, and welcome to the room. Our room is G8. Like, makakuyog ko naman ito nandun. Kini nga room day is ma-accommodate up to 20 packs. Saan ka po sa biyahe? Bang ring! Bang ring! Hi guys, I'm with Sir Rex. Ba-massage ko din niya. I was trying to call a friend, pero busy man. It's cold outside and it's almost Christmas, so I'm heading back. Okay, time to unbox these things. Thank you so much for the shirt, guys. Nakana guys, winter wonderland dami. Wow, ganot eh. Brown and white.
Asa Manoy, what do you think?
Winnie the Pooh. Gawin mo si Do. Ring ring. Wala na ko tao. Hi. Hi. Merry Christmas guys. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas pa. Merry Christmas ma. Yo, Merry Christmas. Ni Josh. Jay, Maniva, Matishin, Merry Christmas everyone. Dai, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Greg. Merry Christmas. Dai, Merry Christmas. Bye. Uy, ako nagpakuan pa. Nagpa-lahutay. On our first day, we took off early because it was our DIY day. We've got a lot of decision makings to do to choose places to spend our time on. Though part of the package, we still went to check out the Rizal Shrine. Fortunately though, it was rainy and the shrine was still closed, so we looked for another place to visit. So we are now off to the Polo. Uya man pa, uya may papaya. Mayroong Pasko. Pinakatabang pa. Nanrit tangan. Oreo. Wait. Sir, okay na eh. Thank you. Okay, thank you. No, murag lemon. Nanay ka mama. Kasi mama. Okay. Kung nakaabot na ta finally. Even if gabi nag-turn on yes too late, agad ako si Celia's place. Sa dirty ni mo, oh my gosh. Dirty. Di nakanip. Yaks. Abis, baring-ring, bay. Yeah, I'm here with my nephew. The name is Baring Ring. Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Uy, are you okay? Gana si mo. Guys, di ka na ta sa Alicia's Place kung hairatan ba sa laman. Ginawagin. Ano, padung na ta sa Strawberry Hills. Tag 10 pesos per picnic mo din niya. Mahal si Jai pero lamig.
Wisely.
Oh, pick wisely.
Ako si Wisely.
There's fog everywhere and come on.
Picture ta guys. Kita na
may ilang mga sa YouTube guys pang tanom presa ticket plus free ice cream ni siya 50 na lagi mga OA dira sa dayan kisa man ang mga OA dira
Loki.
Loki naman sila.
Tsaka tayo sulti. Merry Christmas from Team Paler.
Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. Merry Christmas from Team Paler.
Finally, most here na guys, and I hope we'll discover a lot of things here. Hello, lain lagi ng entrance.
Go. Naghanap ko ng kalaagan sa Zamboanga. Ta! Aba ni me!
Go! 1, 2, 3, and go!
Naghanap ka ng kalaagan sa Zamboanga? Ta! Aba ni me! So you do it open. Wow! Naamay ko under.
Wow!
Nice to kay Sos dito sa...
Yeah!
Videohan naman mo. Big ano pick up.
Ito ang strawberry. Di mo ko bilang
Bila,
Tagalog.
bila.
Bisaya. Bisaya.
Ako
Ako ni, ang strawberry sa la presa.
Matut ta dito. Na free strawberry ice cream din ha. Abot na to din ha kana miss. Dali na ano. Nako, ito to. Strawberry? Napila mga dagko ng mga grabe ka doon kagana guys.
We are now on our way out.
Asa dapat ang liso sa strawberry?
Outside, they are colored white or pink. Brown na, dili na white.
Christmas! Happy birthday!
Diba na?
Ma, lalagyan mo sa kanak.
Orange or red?
Thank you, ma'am. Hindi mag-picture daw sa video. Yes! Yes!
Naman to.
Kala ko na sa sila. Daddy,
Kalagot.
Di ko eh. Dili ko. Ah.
1, 2, 3.
Welcome to the Post View Camp guys. Hi. Grabe kagana sila din niya. Tao na to. Hi sir, good afternoon. Merry Christmas. Tungod sa kabisi, taod-taod ng pod may waya makalaag. O sa among paglaag na adto mi sa lugar nga waya mi kay bayo kong asa. Sa lugar kong asa willing pod mi mo explore bilang isa ka pamilya. Ang laag sa amo mo isa sa pinakaimportante nga moments. Ug sa si mama ug si papa, pero may mag-remind mga anak nila. Nasa eskwela magtinarong ni para maabot namo ang mga gusto sa kinabuhi. Labi na ang mga lugar na gusto namo adtuan. Maura to, ug salamat sa pagpangita.